Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix personal hotspot is not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all just simply open the settings, and guys from here scroll it below and then tap on general and then tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS 18. After that guys, simply go back and from here guys scroll it below and then tap on VPN and device manager and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is a connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then simply tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds. After that, open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you have still this problem, then you have to just simply make sure that there is not connected any of the Wi-Fi, because you cannot use hotspot when you are connected to Wi-Fi. So guys, you have to just simply turn off your Wi-Fi, and after that guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. If you have still this problem, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap your reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If that does help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.